Black Girl Stocks merch is now live. So you can either scroll down and click underneath this video, or you can go over to teesprings.com. We have t-shirts, different colors, different crew necks, sweatshirts, get rich, stay rich, everything positive. You already know how we do. So go ahead, check out Black Girl Stocks official merch. Okay. Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Foxtail Digital coming to you again with Black Girl Stocks. This is our Sunday live chat. My computer is lagging so much right now. Like, I don't even know if we're going to be able to continue the stream because my computer is just really tripping right now. So if the stream does end, you guys, I apologize about that, but I'll try my best to get through. So what's up, Kanisha, Nina, Dina? Okay, a lot of A's. Retired Guy 43, what's up? Crystal, G-Lo, or Glow. Kyla, Janice, Ro, Lala, Fernell, Sheba, what's up? All right, so let's go ahead and let's get into it. You guys already know how we do our Sunday live chat. So let me go ahead and change this, and make sure you guys click that thumbs up button for me. It really helps the channel. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to go over a few different stocks. So I want you guys in the comments below to put your ticker symbols that you want to talk about. Let me know if you're trying to day trade it, swing trade it, option trade it, all the trades, and then we'll just look at the stock charts together and just kind of see what's going on with it. So let's go ahead and get into it. Oh, and also another reason why my computer might be going a little bit slow is literally on the other screen, I have our top 3 option plays uploading right now. So right after the stream, that video is going to be ready and waiting for you, okay? So let's go ahead and let's get into it. Hello from Ottawa. Who? Okay, that's cute. All over the world. Foxy Tell, oh my goodness. The Book of Slay, that's cute. Hey Sharon, what's up? What's up, Odessa? My old director's name was Odessa. I mean, she was just phenomenal. Wow. All right, so let's go ahead and let's get into it. This is from Kanisha, and this is UAA. So let's see what she's talking about. And while I'm getting everything together, you guys, just make sure you like this video for me, get these views up. We're really close to 100K, so I'm estimating it. They're saying we'll be at, what is going on, girl? I'm trying to change this. See, I'm trying to do right, and it's, oh my God. All right, y'all, just give me a second. Like, everything is, okay, here we go. This is gonna stress me out. No, it's not. Don't claim that. We'll be just fine. Okay. So what she say? I didn't even pin it. Oh shoot. Okay. UAA. Let me pin this real quick. Give me a second, you guys. I told you my computer is tripping right now. That's why. Hey, okay, we're about to be getting this money with these option trades. I'm about to upgrade this computer because everything I've been doing is on a laptop. And you know, I've done good with the laptop, but it's time to upgrade for real. So if even that, just give me a thumbs up so that we have better smooth streams. Girl, Kanisha, why'd you pick this cute stock? Girl, this is really nice. Okay, so first of all, honestly, it's been giving me downtrend. So it hit that high of 26. That was back in, hold on, let me see. That was back, oh girl. That was back in early May. So it kind of looks like it was giving downtrend up until, what is this, about July 20th. So late July, honey, all of a sudden, I mean, we have this huge move. And then even looking right here with the MACD indicator, I mean, it just really jumped. Now, going into, oh, we got a super chat. Who was that? Oh, 100. 100,000 subscribers. Thank you so much, G-Lo, Glow. You told me what to say last time. I just like to say Glow, but I think it's G-Lo. Yeah. But going into next week, let's just see what happens. Honestly, because of this huge price increase, I would definitely want to anticipate a price pullback. It's normal, okay? So let's just see what happens with this MACD indicator. Now, if you see a crossover with this MACD, then that could be a good sign that you'll have, a short-term, reversal. So a little drop in price. Like I said, that's normal, but you can still make money off of that anticipation. And then the same thing with the RSI. It's a little bit oversold. Overbought. It's a little bit overbought. It's kind of high. It's all the way up there at 83, honey. So it could come falling down, honey, and we are ready to catch those profits while it does that, okay? So that's pretty much that on that. Thank you, Kanisha. Okay, what's up, Deidre? Level 3 option plays this week. I know that's right. All right, let's get into the next one. This is from Queen Nina, and this is BNTX. Hold on, let me see, the camera's in the way. I hope this stream is okay for you guys. Like I said, I know it's gonna be choppy, but we're doing the best that we can, okay? Okay, replace pin. Okay, so this is gonna be BNTX. Okay. Is it updating? Okay, there we go. We got that changed over there. Now let's see what's going on. Oh wait, you know what? Kanisha, let me look at these options really quickly, you guys. Just give me 1 second. I just want to look at these option plays because this is a really cute stock. It had a cute price of 25. See, look at how slow this is going right now. Bruh. Okay. So let's look at this. Oh, yes. So look at this. These option contracts are very low price, honey. I mean, it's giving me, what is this? $30, $34, $60, $90. I can get into that. And then the implied volatility, that's this percentage right here. The implied volatility is low. And when you see that market maker move over there, so it's expected to move that amount within this time. So this one has weeklies. If I was going to do a contract on that, I would probably do a put. And I would pick something, something fairly close. So probably in August, because this is going to be a short-term play, but I will pick the puts over here. And then just looking at, oh no, this volume and open interest is low. Okay, I don't know if I would get into this play at all because it's very low. But I mean, hey, the price is still cute and you can do what you want, especially if you have stock shares. This is just for options. So that's that on that. I digress. I apologize. Did I say, G-Lo, did I say thank you for your super chat? I apologize if I didn't. I'm sorry. All right, let's get back into BNTX. Okay. Woo! Wow. Oh my gosh. Okay. Now this is cute. I don't know what happened last week. This is way before last week. Oh, this is high too. $389. You have expensive taste, honey. All right. So it's definitely, first of all, it's been giving uptrend for a while. Overall, it's been trading above the 50-day moving average. And somebody left a comment saying, oh, pointing out the obvious. Look, it might be obvious to you, but some people interpret things in different ways. Now you see right here, when did we have this really good cute crossover? We had a cute crossover right here. This was mid-July. So mid-July, we really started to see a lot of upward momentum. Now, same thing as what we talked about the last stock. This is what I wanted to see in that last stock. You see that little pullback, boom. Little bit of a pullback. So let's see what happens going into next week. If I still, like opening Monday morning, if I still see that this stock, this MACD is still in this little crossover phase. So you see this light blue, trading below the yellow signal, I would definitely do a put play, some type of put play, because it might continue on that downtrend. So we'll kind of see what happens with that. Let's move in a little bit closer and let me just see. Okay. Yeah, so going into, let's say tomorrow morning, we're watching this stock tomorrow morning. I don't know if you're probably trying to day trade or swing trade. Oh, you said swing trade. Okay. Going into next week, if you see that price cross, I'd say above, what is this, 403? No, hold on. Okay, I say if you start to see that stock go into the 390s, definitely above this 340, 345, 344 area, definitely, you know, a call. I would definitely do a call on that because it's continuing on that upward trend. But if you see that price start to drop below, what is this around? I would say 370, but that's really low. So I say if you kind of start to see it drop below maybe that 380, 382-ish, 380 zone, then I would be more prone to do a put. And then I would say it could continue on this this downward trend. So we'll just kind of see what happens see what happens at the market open, see what's going on that trend next week, and then we'll see what we can do next week with that one. So that's that on that. A little bit tired, honey, so I have my little Red Bull. Yes, I'm not sponsored though, so I'm not gonna show the logo. Okay, thank you. Who was that? Nina. Thank you, Nina. Okay. I'm really behind in these comments. Okay, this is from, okay, Odessa said you got OPK. That's cute. Okay, Deidre, okay, you put 2, Deidre. I'm gonna pick the last one. Dang, you put 3 in here, girl. You have a lot. I'm gonna pick one of them, SOFI for the option. So let's see what she's talking about with this. And then Opal, I'll do you next. Pause. All right, so this is SOFI. Let's see what she's talking about. Ooh, okay, first, hold on, let me zoom out. Wow, okay. Okay, see, that's why you have to zoom out, honey. We have to see what she's talking about from far away. So one thing I do see, okay, so we definitely started to have a bearish market start mid-June. So we've been dropping ever since then. It looks like she's trying to, you know, slow down with that. She's been trading in between this zone. So between 16 and 14, she's been trading here since late July. Now it's looking like it's right up here at this resistance area. So we've touched this before. We've been there before at where we are right now, the 16. So going into next week, you said options, boom. Let's zoom in just a little bit. Let's see. See, now this is where we were. Oh, this is looking cute. So let's see what happened. It just had this little flag here. I like a cute little flag play when you have lower highs and higher lows, and it kind of starts to mesh together. Boom, it could shoot up from that. So going into next week, I'd say if you start to see that price continue upward past maybe 16, 17, then that's definitely going to indicate to me that it's continuing on its uptrend that it's been doing since the beginning of this week. But if you start to see it drop below 16, 15, then it could go into a downtrend. Let me zoom out one more time. So I mean, back to that comment, you know, stating the obvious, I don't know. Nobody knows what's going to happen with this. You can't read the future. All you can look at are indicators, and if you see crossovers, then you do this. Or if you see a certain indication of something else, then you do this. Just looking at this right now, like I said, it's really touching that resistance point. So going into next week, like I said, if you see it past that 16, 17, then it would have essentially broken out of that trading zone, and then we'll see what happens with that, because it's really setting up to continue upwards, especially with this MACD having been traded below the center line for so long. It's slowly moving its way back up. So this is a good bullish indication for this. So you said as far as options goes, if I was going to do something, I would probably do a long call, and I'll probably get something cute, maybe August 20th, September. I like to keep it cute. Now these are really nice. Oh, hell. Now look at this implied volatility though. Implied volatility is really high. It's up in the 100s, 90s, 80s and stuff like that. So anytime I see high implied volatility, I would do an option play that's going to receive premium, because higher IV is going to mean a higher price. Not really though, because these prices are, oops, I didn't mean to do that. These prices are cute. You know, 80, 100, whatever. So you can do a long call, or you can do a credit spread. So if you wanted the price to go up, if you're bullish, then you can do a put credit, a put credit spread. You receive that premium. You receive that premium. And if I was gonna do a put, I'd probably have my short probably around that 13 zone. So you can sell that put and then buy one lower than that. And that just goes into the credit spreads. I digress. Make sure you guys click the thumbs up. I know you playing. We have 140 people in the chat and 40 likes. I'm gonna take a break while I'm gonna let you guys click that thumbs up button because y'all tripping tonight. So I'm gonna take a little rest. Okay. Thank you guys. Okay. Ooh. All right. So, thank you for that, Deidre. I know that was kind of a lot, but hey. So Opal, can you check out CREE? Been trading within a range. Do you think it's ready to break out? Opal, you knew the assignment and you did it well, okay? Thank you so much for this explanation and for this request. This is what I'm looking for with the request, so thank you, Opal. This is CREE. Let's change that over here. Okay, so you're right. It has been trading in between a cute little zone, about 101. Between, I say 90 to 101, around that range. It's been trading there since late May. But it's still kind of giving lower lows. Okay, so we're having lower lows. You know, are we going to go down? Is it going to go up? Who knows? Now, our high at this time would be like 102. Right now it's at 95. So if it's been trading that, I honestly just kind of looking at it the way it's set up, it's looking like it might hit that 102 again. But honestly, now looking a little bit closer, dang it, come on. Looking at this MACD, it looks like it might be setting up to do a crossover right here. So you see how it's getting really tight right there. So if that crosses over, then that would definitely be a bearish play that might go on. And then they have the earnings coming up too. So they have an earnings coming up on the 17th too. So we'll see what happens with that. What happened previously with the earnings on this? And then what did you say you were doing with this? What did you say, Opal? Okay, is it ready to break out? Honestly, we're just gonna have to see on Monday. The RSI is steady increasing, so it's looking good, but honestly, it's looking like it's turning into a downtrend. This might be the top peak for this, and it might, you know, drop going into next week. I'm not trying to zoom in. So it could drop going into next week. That's kind of what it's looking like. But hey, we don't know the future. So next week, if you see a crossover with that MACD, like I said, I would definitely do a put play, or if you have it for a long call or something like that, or you're holding those shares, you know, maybe sell some of that. We'll see. Okay, I'm really late in these comments. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay, you have 250 shares. Cute, Ryan. Why is my super chat not going through? Oh, Dwayne, I like that super chat. Thank you, Dwayne. You sell, okay, JNC said, I sell premium but love the show. Definitely, I love to sell premiums and doing credit spreads for earnings plays, and definitely with stocks that, or excuse me, options that have higher implied volatility. So hit that like. Thank you, Elizabeth. Okay, hello from New Zealand. What's up, Zoe? Thank you, Sharon. All right, so let's do this. This is from CLOV, and this is CLOV, CLOV. So let's do the next one. How long have we been on this chat? I don't want to keep y'all too long tonight. 19 minutes, that's not too long. Okay. So CLOV. Let's see what she's talking about. I think my service is kind of speeding up a little bit too. I'm not seeing as much lag. And then let's see how far along are we on this upload. 33 minutes left. I know you lying. YouTube is very slow with the uploads. Okay. Ew. CLOV. Okay. This is, I mean, it's definitely giving me downtrend. It's been downtrending for a minute. I'm gonna have to zoom in. I mean, the price movement is little to nothing. The price fluctuations. I don't know what are you trying to do with this? I mean, I don't know. What is the volume on this? It's so low. Okay, 11 million? I cannot tell. The price isn't going anywhere. Okay, it's between $6 and $9. Okay. Hold on, you guys. Ugh. Let me zoom in. I mean, this is trading in between the zone too. It's been trading in there for a few days. So we'll see what happens next week. You see another little flag forming right there. It looks like. So going into next week, I say if you start to see that price drop below $8, I will definitely go into a bearish play, but kind of looking at how it's going. If you see it cross above 8, so if it goes into like 8.50 or higher cents, because this is so low, it's probably not moving dollars a day. So you're just gonna have to go off cents and stuff like that. But just see what happens with that. It's really hard for me to tell. This is, you know, very, very low. It's easier to see premium. Amir said you're gonna hashtag premium. Stop playing with me. Stop that. All right, so let's get into our next one. I don't know about that. This is from Ray, and this is NAVI, which is really cute because one of my favorite artists is Nav. I love listening to Nav because I just feel like I'm making money when I listen to Nav. Okay, the computer's going slow again. I'm trying to pin this. Let me go over here. Let me just do this. Okay, pin. NAVI. Oh, this is cute. Okay, this is close up though. This is weekly. Let's go back to the 108. Oh my God. Yes. Okay, so this is from Ray. He wants to talk about options. This is amazing. First of all, it's been giving uptrend for, for months. All this year has been all uptrend. Hey, trend, uptrend. Now let's zoom in on this uptrend, which what I really like about this, you know, it might not be moving up huge amounts, but I mean, you saw earlier it was $9 and now we're at 21. So this is cute. Definitely has some good overbought, oversold patterns. Now that we see that it has such good patterns, when we see this high right here, I would kind of expect for it to drop a little bit, even though it is in an uptrend. Okay, we have higher highs, but it could drop from that. So we'll see what happens next week. Even though you have this huge, I wouldn't say huge, but you have a cute little crossover right here with our MACD. Let's see what happens next week. Honestly, if I saw a crossover right there, I would do a very short term put play, or if you want to continue going long, just wait until you have a better entry position. You said options. So for options, okay, this has weeklies. No, it doesn't. It has monthlies. Okay. So, I mean, you can do something in September. That would be pretty cute. The implied volatility for this isn't too much, so it's less than 50. So, I mean, you can either go either way. The options are very inexpensive, 200 to 50 to 10. So you can definitely do something cute with that as far as the options go. They're very inexpensive. And, okay, it has a pretty cute open interest and volume, so you can definitely do some good plays with this. Yes. So NAVI is looking cute. Where am I? Okay, let me zoom out on that. So that is that on that. You guys, make sure you click that thumbs up for me while I get into the next one. Please do J. Oh, I lost it. Okay. Okay, Sharon said, what is the reason when your option to sell is canceled? It might be because you had it set till the end of the day. So if you have it set to good till canceled, it'll run over until the next day. That would be one of the reasons why I would see it not get filled or be canceled. So I don't know. And better print next week. I know that's right. AMD better print next week. Okay, let's do CHWY from Kyla. It could be pronounced a lot of different ways. CHWY, Chew. Okay. Everybody is giving uptrend, honey. Yes. Okay. So this has been giving uptrend since late May. So it's been giving a cute little uptrend, trading above the 50-day moving average. Cute. Now, we did just see this little crossover last week with this MACD. You see that right there? Boom. So let's see what happens. Like I said, it's been in an uptrend, but we did have a slight little pullback here. So if I had a price target, or like if it continued to drop, I would say hopefully it didn't drop more than, what is this? Down to 85. It's at 89 right now. So it could drop to 85 and then continue on that uptrend that it's been in. So we'll see. So I mean, it could drop down to there, or it could go in next week. It could have more buying power and then just continue on that uptrend. But for that, I would need to see another crossover. So another crossover with that MACD would be a good indication of that. And then the RSI indicator, I've been using that a little bit less frequently. I've really been just using more of my moving averages, exponential moving averages, and MACD. But the RSI looks pretty cute too. RSI at 50, so we'll see what happens with that one. Okay, I'm probably gonna do a couple of more, you guys, and then I'm gonna let you guys go so I can get this video up. So this is from, okay, Jen, Apple is going to be on our plays on this next video that I'm uploading tonight, so I'm not gonna talk about that on live, but make sure that you check out the video that's uploading tonight, and you'll see some, you know, some cute little things about Apple. Ugh. Sheba, are you still using Tiblio to select plays for possible day trades? Yes, I still use Tiblio. I actually put up a post on Friday for, what do I have, about maybe 3 to 4 plays that I got out of Tiblio's bullish squeeze. So they have a section on there called bullish squeeze. Honey, all I did was just organize them to the ones that have the highest open interest. So you can definitely organize those. I picked the ones with the highest open interest. I don't want to give too much of my moves, but just know that all of those were successful on Friday. So yes, to answer your question, yes, I still use Tiblio. Okay. When should I get in on AMD? I don't know. Like, AMD was kind of last week's play, so I would have to just reanalyze that. I haven't looked at that for this week. All new plays this week, okay? Peter, make sure you check out the top 3 option plays and you'll find all of that information out. Okay, let's get into another one. You're cute, my little sister. Thanks. Okay, here's one from Jordan Jackson, JJ. So this is Snow. That's a cute name. And this is all calls. So let's see what's popping with the snow. And you know, it's really always been my dream to go snowboarding. I have never, like, I just want to go to a ski resort, maybe somewhere in Colorado where some, you know, it's legal, honey. You can do some other stuff. And I really want to go snowboarding. For calls, okay, 277, this is cute. So, okay. As far as calls go, I would not get into that until I saw a crossover with this MACD right here. So you see how we're kind of trading below that? I need to see a crossover, just like something like right here. Boom, you see that price go up. Now we are still in an uptrend, but there's just some things that I would need to see. And you said calls. Let me see. Okay, the implied volatility on this isn't super high. Ooh, no, but these prices are high though. So if I was gonna do anything on this, I wouldn't do straight calls. I would do only premium receiving things. Like I would only do credit spreads, iron condors, straddles, or something like that. No, not straddle. I would stick with, you know, iron condor or a credit spread with this, because that's pretty much the only things I do. I've tried a straddle before, but it was just kind of a lot, so I'll just have to do more of that. But yeah, with these prices right here, especially these, I would be more prone to doing spreads. And as far as calls, if you were wanting this to continue going up, I would do a put credit spread, and so you can close your legs right around there. So you can have a short around the 260 and then you're long at like 250 or something like that. But that's just looking at the chart. So yeah, that's that on that. Thank you, Jordan. Okay, let's do another one. Off topic, what streaming platform are you using? This is Streamlabs OBS. Brittany, make sure you check out the top three option video coming after this. Oh snap. All right, let's look at I don't TWA. That's a cool name. SPCE. All right, I'm gonna do like 2 more after this one, and then we're gonna wrap it up for tonight, you guys. We're gonna wrap it up, okay? And I'm starting a Discord group this month. I'm just trying to figure out how to use the platform, but I'm gonna have daily watch list on there, just like daily things that I'm trading. And I'm probably gonna do some live trades on there. So morning, you know, if I do most of my trades around 8:30 to 9, maybe 10. So I'll be doing live trades, so you can check that in. I'm not gonna put it on YouTube because I don't know, I'm not feeling the appreciation on YouTube. We have 90,000 subscribers, and how many views are we getting on the videos? Like less than 10. So girl, I won't be doing any of my live streams on here, honey. They will not be getting any of my money making plays. You can get these little 3, but the real live streams and the real plays that I do every day are gonna be on my Discord group. So, whew. Okay, let's get into it. SPCE, come on. Okay. So what's kind of interesting about this is you see how much momentum we have with our MACD and RSI, but the stock price is barely moving at all. Like, she is literally staying in between a zone, $28 and $33 for all of this momentum. But nevertheless, you know, I am seeing a lot of uptrend with the RSI, so I would hope that that continues going upwards. We just broke above our 50-day moving average before. It was trading below that. So you saw a lot of downward movement, but because it just popped up, let's see if we have, oh, what is this? And they just had an earning. So, ooh, it looks like they had an earning miss though, but sometimes that really doesn't matter long term. But yeah, they kind of missed their Q2 earnings right there. But nevertheless, as far as option goes, oh wow, your implied volatility is really high for this. So if you're gonna do something, you know, maybe a month or so out, they're gonna be a little bit higher, like 200 or something a contract. So for something like this, I would definitely do a premium receiving option play. So you could do a credit spread, or because of the fact that this price isn't moving much, I would do an iron condor and you know, just want that stock to close in between that or just lose value. But yeah, I would do something like that as far as options because the implied volatility is pretty high. Okay. Let's look at another one. This is Pinterest, calls on Pinterest from Jays. Wait, what is the ticker symbol? Because I don't, hold on, let me see. What is Pinterest? I don't have time. See, that's why I asked you guys to put the ticker symbol. Okay, so next. Oh, I don't wait. Okay. I'm ready for that Discord because folks have been getting burnt in this market. I know that's right. Kanisha said, well, Discord it is then, shoot. Hey, I'm not worried about YouTube. Okay, pins. Okay, yeah, I remember that, pins. Okay. Ugh, girl, this is an ugly one. All right, and it looks like I've already been drawing some stuff on this. Okay, so looking at it, we just had a crossover last week on the 3rd, but the price movement is so low. What is the volume? 62,000, 4 million. This volume is kind of low on this, but we did have a cute little crossover last week. But just looking at where this MACD is right now, it looks like it's trying to come up. What was this? On the 29th, the price had a pretty big drop right here, and you had a big drop right there too. So let's kind of see what happens with the MACD indicator. You said calls. I'm not sure about, I don't know, because this is looking really tight right here, and I would just need to wait and see that this MACD continued moving upwards, because it's looking like it's trying to cross over right there. Even with this RSI, it's been oversold for a while. It'll stay oversold for a while and still be dropping. So let's just see. I would wait. If I was going to do a call or something like that, I would wait until I had a crossover. Your implied volatility is cute. These prices are pretty cute. You know, you can get in cute for 100, 200. So that's kind of cute for this. Pinterest is cute. So, how many times did I just say cute? But like I said, I really would just kind of wait and see what happens with that. Even though you did have this big little swoop right here, I just want to see what happens with this MACD going forward into next week. Let me see. Okay, so I would really want to see that price move before, like if I got in here on Monday, I would need to see this price move above 60 for me to do any type of call. If it doesn't, and if it started to drop below this 58, I would just do a put play, because it's already been kind of giving some downtrend anyway, honey. Boom. So that's that on that. And let's do our last one. I'm trying to pick one. All right, let's do, this is from Jay almost. No, okay, I've been seeing Christopher like 500 times. So let's just do this JPM, and then we're gonna wrap it up for tonight, because your girl is kind of tired. I'm not even gonna lie. Okay. JPM. And make sure you guys click that thumb up, please. Click the thumbs up button right now. Please. All right, so just on the weekly, it's been giving uptrend for the past couple of days last week. Let me zoom out. Okay, one thing you can kind of see, it looks like it's been trading in between a couple of zones, or a zone right here. So you're seeing some resistance kind of where we are right now, 57, and some support. I wouldn't even say support, but we've seen, you know, some support around this 145 to 148 area. I know that's a big zone. So looking at it right now, it is kind of trading in the high area of where it's normally capped off. So going into next week, I just want to see, is it going to continue, like even with this MACD, kind of had that crossover there. So let's see what happens. I don't know, this little Doge, slight Doge down candlestick is kind of giving me some thoughts. So we'll see what happens with that. Is it going to drop next week? Let me zoom in, because it was, like I said, it was looking cute the past couple of days last week. All right, and then it's kind of at a high for that point. So I'd say if you see it continue going up on Monday, so if you see it surpass this 158, then I would definitely do a call for that, even if it's a day trade or something like that. What's the volume? I'll be careful with that. If you're gonna do something with that, you can do that. Your implied volatility is pretty low. These prices are very cute, honey. $50. Wow, you can buy about 10 of those. Yes, let's get in there. And you can do something cute with that. But I would definitely just kind of wait to see, like I said, what did I say? Crossover? Yeah, I want to see, you know, how this MACD plays out, because this RSI is getting kind of high, and it did just kind of have a cute little jump right there. So it could, you know, have a price pullback from that. So let's just wait and see what happens next week with that. So that's JP and Morgan. Don't they have something coming up, or no? They just had an earnings. Oh wow, they had a good earnings too. Man, I need that price to go up. All right, you guys. So that's probably about to be it for tonight. Hold on. Yeah, that's gonna be it for tonight. Like I said, I'm gonna have this top 3 option plays coming on right after this video. So these are gonna be my 3 plays for next week. Jen, make sure you watch this next video. I'll be talking about Apple in the video, so we won't be. Who said bye? Don't rush me. Stop that. But yeah, make sure you check out that video and you'll see all the information on that. So thank you guys so much. I'll catch you on the next live. Stay blessed. Have a great trading week. And yeah, thank you. All right, I'll catch y'all next time.